I don't care if you're 12 or 16. Okay. Well, come here. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. No, we'll find out. Come on.
What are we doing now? What are you doing?
Quit.
You don't need to grab the Don't touch people.
Quit, or you're going to the ground.
Watch your mouth.
Back up. Everybody back up and calm down so I can put them in
I
cuffs.
don't trust police. Y'all is up down here, and I'm not backing up.
Who's y'all? I don't even know you.
You, the police. There's hella videos of you police putting your hands on kids.
Okay. Listen. If you guys keep following me, you're going to jail for obstructing. Last warning. I don't care.
Talk to my mom like that. Don't talk to my
Keep
sister
following
like
me
that.
to jail.
Don't talk to my sister. Get the off me, bro. Get the off me, bro.
If we can get a couple more units
I don't
over
know,
there.
bro. Get the off me.